And they when you there, 6 the goddess. 6 the goddess. This woman she's a beautiful woman.
Yes.
And
you like her, you like her.
Oh, I just saw her.
You've been saying the whole time she's beautiful.
6 the goddess. The name is just to.
What did she do? Sister goddess. I only know mother goddess. Which one is it? Does a sister goddess?
Okay.
What is? I know mother goddess. Which one is sister goddess?
6. See the.
What did she do?
She said black mothers are the reason why black people are getting fat.
She spoke about black women, indeed. Black women. Why
so
black women
she's trying to get at our black mothers.
No, it's not that
she's trying to tell us that our black mothers are the problem we have in this world.
That's observation.
She's trying to say that Mama Africa is a bad woman.
For the people. It's time for us as women, especially as black women, to stop this whole thing of thick and she got to eat and she healthy. Growing up, and this is a gem, my mother never was that mom who was like, you can't leave the table to eat all your food. My mom would say, when you are content, when you feel happy, when you feel like you've ate enough, you're good. To this day, if I get a plate of food, I don't feel the need to clear the plate. The main thing I see in black women is overeating. There is a difference between you being big and making YouTube videos like what I eat in a day to stay big. And there's a difference between being that and saying I'm big and I know I need to lose weight for myself, for my children, for us, for our representation as black women. I'm with that. Now, big women who be like, I'm big, oh well, so what? I still got a man. I don't like that. We need to, no other race of women do that.
She's trying to say that Mama Africa does not know what she is doing. She's trying to tell me that we don't have sense.
You have fired him up.
We Africans, we don't know how to train up.
You have fired him up. Let him go. Go, my friend.
Do you know what she has said?
Go.
Let me tell you something. If not because if I do something that they will say violence. They will say domestic violence. They will call it all kind of names. How dare she? How dare? What did you call it? Sister or brother goddess? What is wrong with her? How dare? So she's trying. Do you know when I was growing up? Do you know the kind of food my mother was giving me?
What kind of food?
I was eating anything I like. Anything I wanted to eat, I will eat it. Am I fat?
Your mother knew what she was doing.
Am I fat?
No, because listen, your mother knew what she was doing. Your mother knew what she was putting into.
Let me tell you something.
Nowadays, everything.
So my mother was African. They see the why is she not saying that African mothers are the problem? No. Why is she not? Let me tell you, if you are fat, you are fat. It has nothing to do with your mother. If you know you don't like your body the way it is, then go to the gym and lose weight and stop blaming your mother. I don't blame her. See, you say she was looking. I see fat.
My friend, if you see her, you will change all your opinions.
The goddess.
All this talking he's doing, when he sees her, he will then. You are right. He will say you are right.
Oh, so because she's looking good, that's why she's talking anyhow.
Brother, no, she knows what she's talking about.
Because she's looking good, she's talking anyhow. She's very lucky she's not fat. She won't. If she was fat, she would not be saying this like this.
Because she keep herself stable to not be fat.
Let me tell you.
Well, let me ask this man a question. Let me ask him a question. I have one question for you. Yeah. You say go to the gym and you can lose weight. You said when you were young, you just eat anything you like.
Of course. My mother would give me all kind of food.
Okay.
And I'm looking okay.
You are looking okay.
Look at me.
Do you know what is genetics? Do you know what is genetics?
Genetics?
Yeah.
Of course.
Maybe you have good genes.
Oh, obviously.
Yeah.
I have good genes.
Okay.
I know that.
Okay.
That is the main reason she should not be saying that African parents, mothers are the problem.
Not African.
Black mothers. As long as you are black, you are African. I don't care where you are from. If you are black, you are African. Unless you don't know your root.
Now this man, you see.
He's speaking some facts. That's some right thing.
Let me chime in a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, chime.
The day you decide to stop drinking is that day that someone you love dies.
In that case, people will die every day because I can never stop drinking.
I know.
You damage me now. What
I can never stop drinking.
What is going on?
No,
If drinking will make people die, please let them die.
No.
How can I stop
did
drinking?
not say that.
Even
drinking.
Jesus turned water into wine.
You don't
Jesus
understand.
that said people should drink and turn water into wine. He knows what it is.
You don't understand.
He knows what
you don't
doing.
understand. Let me repeat again. The day you decide to stop drinking.
Oh, you stop.
You decide to stop drinking.
Yes.
That's the day someone you love dies.
For the first time, you have said something that I like.
Can you follow what he's saying? Because I can't follow.
Very intelligent. He said the day I stop to drink, people will die.
You special.
For that reason, I will drink every time. This is the real person.
This guy is.
For the first time, he
guy
has said
doesn't
something
understand
reasonable.
any.